Hello everybody. Today I'm going to install my build mat from TH3D Studios on my Hypercube that I'm building here. The build volume is 400 by 400 by 500 and the mat I'm installing today is 400 by 400 or 16 inches square. And the first thing I want to do is I'm going to make sure that my build plate doesn't have any oil, grease, or debris on it. So I'll take a scraper. I'm just going to lightly go over the top of it, or you can use a razor blade, whatever you have handy, and just check to make sure there's no debris on it. You can run your hand across it. If you feel anything, you can just lightly wipe it off or scrape it off. And I'll take my microfiber towel here, put a little IPA on it, nice isopropyl alcohol, and just wipe the whole thing down real good. You want to get any grease or oils that are on it, we want to get off. That looks pretty good. And then I have a small little plastic spatula here that I'm going to use to help me make sure there's no air bubbles underneath it. And then looking at the TH3D logo, this would go up. Here's the front of the printer facing me. So this will go on the build mat like this. So I'll get a corner of the build mat here to get the sticker on the back started off. Get my fingernails under it. There we go. Part of it peeled off. Lay it on the front edge. Kind of a pain how I'm doing this. Should have put the build mat down real low. Yeah, definitely have your bed lowered if you're putting this on a Hypercube. But the process is the same for any printer, Cartesian or Core XY. I'm slowly pulling the sticker off the back, the paper that's on the sticker. And I just keep pulling it down. Keep wiping it, make sure there's no bubbles. There rarely is. As long as you go back and forth uniformly, you're not going to get any bubbles in it. That blue sure looks pretty on there, don't it? I mean, blue's my favorite color, and that sure looks nice. And this build mat came from TH3Dstudios.com. Timothy and Samantha Hooglin own the company and got a lot of great products on there. And I'm just barely crooked on one side, just barely, but it's not going to hurt it. No, I don't print clear to the edge, nor does anyone. That looks good.